everyone, this is Darshita Singh, and today we are going to complete the chapter that we left, Light, Shadows, and Reflection. So, basically, we have covered the sources of light, the straight line motion of light, the transparent, translucent, and opaque materials, and shadow formation. Today, we are going to complete this chapter and we are going to learn reflection of light first. So, reflection of light as a concept, if we talk about, then whenever there is a direction change, when a light strikes onto a shiny plane surface, or I should say bouncing back of light is reflection. Activity 11.5 and activity 11.6 actually illustrate how reflection works. So basically in this activity you have to take a shiny plate, or you can take a plane mirror as well. So if you take a plane mirror or a shiny plate in front of sunlight, the light will reflect onto the wall. In this case, अगर wall तुम्हारे केस में नहीं है तो नहीं होगा of course, but the reflection of light happens when there is a source of light and a shiny surface. These are the two requirements of reflection of light. Now let's talk about another activity. We have to take a comb. Why we are taking a comb? Because comb has this thin slits and they can actually create a beam of light. So while we create a beam of light and this beam of light get struck on the plane surface, plane mirror, then it bounces back, and this is again reflection. So we've done with the reflection. Let's talk about plane mirror. Plane mirror is basically the mirrors that you see in your houses, जिसमें तुम अपने बाल वाल ठीक करते हो. So in this particular activity, we are going to see the pen experiment. This is not basically a typical experiment. What you have to do is, तो घर पे भी कर सकते हो तुम. You have to take a pen, put that pen in front of the plane mirror, and what you will observe, you'll observe these three to four things. पहली चीज, पेन का साइज और मिरर में जो पेन का इमेज का साइज है वो सेम होगा. तो साइज सेम हो गया. Then you'll also observe the distance between the object, that is the pen, and the distance between the plane mirror is same in the image as well. तो distance भी same हो गया. Then you'll observe कि जो image है वो सीधी है, erect image, and also whenever there is an erect image, this image will be virtual in nature. We'll talk about virtual images थोड़ी देर के बाद, but let's talk about plane mirror पहले. So I've already told you the properties of plane mirror. ये सब जो मैंने लिखा है ये properties ही हैं. एक और property रह गई है, which is lateral inversion. Lateral inversion is basically the reversal thing that happens with you whenever you know जब भी आप अपने right arm को ऐसे हवा में उठाते हो प्लेन मिरर के सामने, देन व्हाट यू विल ऑब्जर्व कि वो प्लेन मिरर में लेफ्ट दिखता है. नहीं, लेफ्ट आर्म, राइट हैंड है तो लेफ्ट आर्म दिखेगा. यस, एग्जैक्टली. सो द परसीव्ड रिवर्सल ऑफ लेफ्ट राइट इज बेसिकली लेटरल इन्वर्जन. इसी वजह से जो टर्म है एम्बुलेंस, ओ माय गॉड, एम्बुलेंस स्पेलिंग, यस, एम्बुलेंस स्पेलिंग में कंफ्यूज हो गई थी मैं, सॉरी. हाँ, lateral inversion is basically happens, it is a practical application in ambulance. What happens in ambulance, you see ambulance उल्टा लिखा जाता है, in reverse. Why? Because then जो rear view mirror होगा of the vehicles that are actually moving alongside the road, they'll see ambulance सीधा, because image में lateral inversion वाला concept होगा. तो एम्बुलेंस इसी वजह से रिवर्स में लिखा जाता है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस फैसिनेटिंग फैक्ट, शैडो प्लेट. सो देयर इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, नॉट वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट शैडो पपेट्री होती थी पहले. कैसे होती थी? कटआउट्स लेते थे, उसको शैडो स्क्रीन और शैडो के थ्रू ऐसे करके पोर्ट्रे करते थे. दिस इज हाउ शैडो पपेट्री हैपन्स. ये तो अभी भी होती है. We also play with shadows. कभी चिड़िया बनाते हैं तो कभी तोता बनाते हैं. I used to do these things. I don't know why I like it. Yeah. Then we have history of mirrors. So basically, as far as history is concerned, we do not know कि किसने invent करा mirror, but we definitely and for sure know this कि केरला में एक term है, I'm very good with pronunciation, Aran Mulla Kannadi. This is basically a mirror creating art जिसमें metal mirrors बनाए जाते हैं. Even if today we are well versed with glass mirrors, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा prevalent है, लेकिन केरला में अरन मुल्ला कन्नड़ी ही चलता है, which is a art of making metallic mirrors. So yes, again recap time. So what we have learned till now, we have learned that reflection is a phenomena of bouncing back of light, wherein we need a plane mirror for reflection or a source of light. Then we have another thing called plane mirror. प्लेन मिरर के लिए हमने प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखी थी. प्रॉपर्टीज़ में था साइज़ का चीज़, डिस्टेंस का, कि डिस्टेंस सेम होता है ऑब्जेक्ट और मिरर के जो इमेज बन रही है उसमें, एंड लेटरल इन्वर्जन की चीज़ देखी. देन इरेक्ट इमेज देखा और वर्चुअल इमेज देखा. वर्चुअल इमेज आर द इमेज which is not formed on the screen. We'll talk about it. Okay, pinhole camera. Pinhole camera is basically a device which forms an inverted image of a object through a small hole. So कैसे काम करता है ये? लाइट रेज ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू जाती हैं और ऑब्जेक्ट का उल्टा इमेज बन जाता है स्क्रीन पे. Let's talk about this. Let's create this first from 2 cardboards. So 2 cardboard you have to take. Place the smaller cardboard inside the bigger one. पहला वाला cardboard, the outer cardboard, you have to create a hole inside it, and दूसरे वाले में you have to attach a translucent sheet. It could be anything. कोई भी ट्रांसलूसेंट पेपर हो सकता है, जैसे बटर पेपर, ट्रेसिंग पेपर, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर pinhole is created, pinhole camera is created. Now how do we use it? You have to take this pinhole camera, put this in front of a screen, then कोई भी light source ले लो. यहाँ पे ये लिया हुआ है, क्या कहते हैं, candle, so I'm taking candle, but you can take any light source. So candle की flame, you will observe that this flame goes inside this. Flame नहीं जा रही है, light जा रही है. This flame की light go inside this pinhole की hole, and then you observe this particular image which is inverted. Candle flame की image तुम्हें दिख रही है and it is inverted, and it is also formed on a screen. This particular cheese is known as screen, and if there is an image which is formed on a screen, then it is called as real image. And in this particular case, pinhole camera वाले case में, the image is real and it is inverted. So whenever there is a real image, it is inverted, and whenever there is a virtual image, वो erect होगी. But इसके कुछ exceptions होते हैं, वो higher classes में देखेंगे. अभी तक तो इतना ही याद रखना है. Okay, now let's talk about some useful items जैसे periscope and kaleidoscope. And the fun part is, ये last topic है हमारे chapter का. So periscope is basically when we take 2 plane mirrors and we arrange them into a Z-shaped box. So this is basically the arrangement. ये Z-shaped box में we are going to arrange these 2 plane mirrors. And why we are arranging this, मतलब purpose क्या है, क्यों arrange करना है, ऐसे मज़े में तो नहीं करेंगे. तो why we are doing it? Because we need to see the objects which are not visible directly. So you can see that this tree is basically not visible directly because of the wall which is coming between the tree and the बच्चे की आँख. So what the बच्चा did is that उसने एक पेरिस्कोप क्रिएट कर दिया वेर इन दिस, एक मिनट, लेट मी चेंज द पेन कलर, या सो यहाँ पे what you see, the mirror 1 is there and this is mirror 2. So corners पे we have attached this mirror. Why we attached these two mirrors on the corners of this particular arrangement is because यहाँ से sun की light पेड़ पे गई, पेड़ से reflect होके this mirror will reflect the light to this mirror and this mirror will reflect light to बच्चे की आँख and the बच्चा will able to see this particular पेड़. So this is the working of periscope and it is used in submarines and tanks, जिससे कि जो चीज़ डायरेक्टली विजिबल नहीं है वो हम देख सकें मिरर्स के थ्रू. Then we have kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is basically, this is my favorite. Why? Let's see. So basically you have to take three plain mirrors, attach them into this triangular arrangement and then put these three mirrors into a cylindrical box. एक साइड को you cover them with this कोई भी translucent प्लास्टिक वगैरह ले लो and एक साइड जो खुली वाली साइड है वहाँ से you drop some beads. Now what you will observe that जो कुछ beads तुमने डाली हैं उसकी लाइट एक दूसरे से रिफ्लेक्ट होके ब्यूटिफुल पैटर्न्स बनाती है. So this is how kaleidoscope works. I don't think so there is anything which is left for my explanation. This is what you have to keep in mind, that applications में there is this entertainment wala purpose of course, and some of the designers and artists use it for their inspiration, जो भी art वार्ट के लिए वो लोग करते होंगे. And yes, we are done with this chapter, but एक बार recap ले लेते हैं. So we have done pinhole camera. पिनहोल कैमरा में वी डिड द थिंग्स कि पिनहोल कैमरा कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट होता है. देन वी डिड कि पिनहोल कैमरा वर्क कैसे करता है एंड इट क्रिएट्स इन्वर्टेड इमेज, इन्वर्टेड एंड रियल इमेज. ओके, देन वी डिड two beautiful concepts. Periscope is basically used for those items which cannot be seen directly, and basically ये वहाँ पे यूज़ होती है जहाँ पे थोड़ा जान का खतरा रहता है, जैसे सबमरीन्स हो गई, जहाँ पे मतलब हम ऐसे नहीं देख पाते डायरेक्टली. सबमरीन्स हो गई, सोल्जर्स वगैरह यूज़ कर लेते हैं ऐसे. ओके, and then we have kaleidoscope. Bear me for the spelling. Kaleidoscope is basically used for the beautiful patterns that it creates. Beautiful patterns की वजह से बहुत सारे artists इसे use करते हैं. And yes, we are done with the chapter. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.